Soto Ayam and red spice chicken.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, share and comment.
Udah lama sekali di sini. Ya, nggak pernah nggak pernah seperti ini.
Mineral water. So that has the turmeric, the red base spice, salt, pepper, lemongrass, cafe lime, the chicken, and the mineral water. We'll bring that to the boil and then turn it down to simmer for 25 minutes. And that will poach the chicken in the stock, and it will produce the stock as well. So then we'll strain the stock and we'll filter it a few times and boil it down, get the impurities out of it, and the chicken bits out of it, and then that will be a base stock for Soto Ayam. You cooking over there?
No, only make a...
Right. Can I put the soup pot on there?
Yeah.
So I can do the spice base. Yeah.
No problem, yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Bring this up to a certain heat, and then we can turn the flame down and just maintain the heat and just keep turning it over and roasting it in the wok. So first off, all the moisture evaporates, and then it starts to slowly caramelise, and that's when you get the rich spice caramelised flavour comes through. Takes a while. It's not an instant cook. It's not 2-minute noodles. It takes a while to bring out these flavours. As we go along, I'll just keep tasting it and adjust the seasoning as we go. And the seasoning is salt, pepper, and palm sugar. Just a little bit of palm sugar to take the bitterness out that fresh spices can have sometimes. So we'll come back in a minute and we'll see when it's evaporated, the moisture's evaporated. This is the problem with that. It's gone dark now. So this is The same process that I was using for the beef rendang, the Indonesian caramelised beef curry, where you just keep toasting it. You think it's going to burn, you think it's cooked, but you just keep going and let it go darker and darker and darker, and it just alters the flavour. It brings it out beautifully. So, just keep letting it go dark. Using the moisture in the spice mix to lift the caramelisation off the bottom of the wok. Soften that up. It's also a brand new wok, so it's not seasoned yet. So expect a bit to be catching on it. But you find after you've done this 3 or 4 times, the wok is seasoned. It has a coating on it, and not using soap, but using hot water to clean it, and then drying it over a hot flame, making sure it's thoroughly dry, and then doing a coating of oil over it. And that goes towards seasoning the pan. And look, it's getting darker now. Very different colour to the way it was before. Just keep going. Just keep going. It's tiring. It's exhausting. But it's the smells, I'm just sitting here with the smells going up. And because I know the flavours so well in the cooking that I can smell the change as it goes along, and when I smell it I can taste it.
Yeah. Yes. Cool, man. Okay.
You've got to try this. You've really got to try it. Beautiful. Thank you.
Yes. Good, Brian?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Very nice. Fantastic. Just keep it going for a little bit. Don't you put this in. These are outtakes. What we call outtakes. So, yeah, do you want to come?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
strain that. That's finished. Yep.
Alright. Ooh, nice. Okay.
Yep. What we do.
Jangan bos. Kenapa emang? Lebih? Terus? Ya. Ya ya. Oke. Jangan. Bawa deh dari kantongnya.
Hang on. Yeah.
So good. Yeah.
Smile. Already. Ooh.
That is my Soto Ayam and
Yeah.
red spice chicken.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, share and comment. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks very much. See you later.